much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video I'm super excited because we have the GLOSSYBOX unboxing for May 2021. I will link my GLOSSYBOX playlist to watch previous unboxings. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video like a let's get unboxing. GLOSSYBOX is $21 a month, but I do have a special code and link in the description box to get your first box for $1, which is so amazing and exciting. Not that many subscription boxes do that. And for May, the theme is Let the Sun Shine. I am obsessed with this packaging. I really have been enjoying the different like customized boxes GLOSSYBOX does to fit the respective theme. And I want to thank GLOSSYBOX for sending this box over. And this is what the inside looks like. And I'm actually really loving the yellow. Yellow has severely grown on me lately. I even have a little bit in my eye look today. So we have our usual card that is going to tell us what products we get, the retail price, tips and tricks how to use it, and where to buy it. It's beautifully wrapped. I don't even want to destroy it, but here we go. And this is what the inside looks like. I already see a couple of items calling my name. I'm probably gonna go out of order, but this nail polish, it's calling me. I really need to do my nails so bad. I'm looking at this card, I'm like, where is the nail polish? It looks like we were supposed to get a sunscreen by the brand Polar, but I don't see it in here. It was a deluxe mini that retailed for $12, but the full size retails for $13.40, so they might have ran out and gave me this nail polish instead. Gotta admit, I'd rather have this just because I have a bunch of sunscreen as it is. I am super obsessive with SPF, so I don't have any shortage of that. I do like to learn more about some cruelty-free brands for sunscreen, but I'm very happy with this nail polish. I think it would actually complement this look really nice. I am wearing the ColourPop Barbie Malibu palettes on my eyes. I will have a shorts, TikToks, Reels, all that good stuff of this look, so keep an eye out for that. I will also be doing a comparison video as well because I was looking through my collection. I'm like, this color story seems familiar, and I found some. Little sidebar there, but this is by the brand Nails Inc. This is the shade Blossom Kisses. I know I'm in the middle of filming, but I'm like, I kind of want to just like stop, pause for a hot minute, and paint my nails with this color. It is so cute. I think it's going to be one of those very professional looking shades, but it's also going to add like that pop for that spring summer vibe as well. Next we have by Earth Harbor. This is the Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampoule. It's a full size that retails for $48. This product alone pays for the box in itself. I have seen this brand a lot recently in BOXYCHARM. I think FabFitFun does add-ons for them too, and the Box by Fashion stuff. Most of the products I have seen come in these like dropper style bottles, very similarly to the Ordinary. There's red algae and plant stem cells in here, 1 fluid ounce. Unparalleled in strength for combating pollutants and daily skin stressors, this ampoule is a necessity for skin in need of after sun replenishment, bold defense against the elements, and thriving barrier function. It restores antioxidants, normalizes skin pH, and smooth fine lines. Out of all of those benefits that this does, I definitely need the fine lines to go away. Definitely in denial about aging, and I use a lot of anti-aging products to help prevent it, so that right there caught the attention. Let's just put a little bit on the back of the palm and see. The dropper bottle gets very excited, so beware, and it is going to move all around. I can't even show it on camera, but my hand literally soaked it in already. It definitely feels more like an oil. I have another ampoule which was a little bit more semi-solid, so I guess ampoules come in all different shapes and sizes, but I really like that. I definitely would like to see how a moisturizer sits on top of it, but you know, from first impressions, I definitely can feel and see a difference with having it on versus not having anything. I guess there was a bit of a variation because another product that I was supposed to get is by Josephine Cosmetics, the Do You Flawless Liquid Highlighter in the shade Claire. It was a full size that retailed for $36, which that would have paid for the box in itself as well. I haven't tried Josephine Cosmetics, and it looked like a really pretty champagne shade from what I can tell in the picture, but instead I got by Bella Perrier the Stay Put Brow Gel, which I go through a lot of brow gel. I got the shade Chestnut, which I think it should, or is it gonna be too light for me? Let's see. And this is the brow pomade. Oh, what's nifty is that the cap has a little brush to go on it, but it's not like the arch shape. It's just like a very thin eyeshadow brush to pack on some shadows. Let's see. Let me swatch on this hand that doesn't have the ampoule. It should work. question mark. Maybe if I build it up a bit, because this was just one swatch. And there we have the brow pomade. That's great that there was some variation to this box. It also might be because they might have sold out of glossy boxes and they wanted to still fulfill orders, so they just interchanged some products, maybe due to inventory. I am excited to try the brow pomade because I definitely go through brow products rather quickly, but it still would have been nice to try this product out because one, I haven't tried Josephine Cosmetics yet. Two, beautiful champagne color. But on the flip side, I haven't had the best of luck with liquid highlighters. It just looks like a mess every time I apply it. I definitely prefer my powders. So I think that they did a good job interchanging some of these different products. Next by the brand Nep, this is the Valerian and Hops Mineral Bath Salts. We get a packet that retails for $4 and a full size retails for $20. I love taking baths. I honestly hate showering. It's like a workout, honestly. And just washing the hair, it's a beast in itself. I'd rather just put bath salts or a bath bomb into the tub and sit there, turn on Netflix, call it a day, and of course have like a glass of champagne, tequila, whiskey, whatever your drink of choice is. I haven't used bath salts in the longest time. Ever since I got hooked on the Lush, bath bombs have just been the rage. So bath salts hasn't even been on my radar in a hot minute, so it's really cool to get something like this just to revisit it. And I'm in the process of really wanting to renovate my master bathroom. We have a tub in there, but like I'm not fully submerged in. That is my biggest gripe with tubs. So I have like two things that I want. I want some jets in my tub, and then I only want like from here up to be visible. Everything else, we're gonna be in the bubbles. We're gonna prune up real good. Next by Aveda, this is the Nutri-Plenish Leave-In Conditioner. It's a travel size that retails for $12 and a full size retails for $37. I feel like Aveda is super popular in subscription boxes. That's the only time I've ever tried any of their products. I really like a hair mask that we got by them, I think in FabFitFun. So I'm really excited to try a leave-in conditioner. This is another product I go through rather quickly, but the main leave-in conditioners I use now, I apply it to like my hands as opposed to like spritzing it and then combing it through. I don't really brush my hair anymore. I do take like the comb to help detangle here and there. I gotta give this a try and see. Maybe it would be something that, you know, after you've washed your hair, you're still in the shower, you spritz it, comb it through, and then style your hair. So we'll see. If it doesn't work out for me, Griffin definitely uses it. He has been taking my spray leave-in conditioners for himself. It will get some use one way or another. And then we got a bonus item. This is by Urage USA. This is some thermal water. This is a travel size that retails for $3.50 and a full size retails for $12. I used to think that these products were silly because I'm like, why would you pay so much for some bougie water to spritz on your face? Well, joke's on me because I got some dry skin, man. I've already set my face twice and I can definitely use a pick-me-up. So I've been super excited to get more of these because the one that I love is by Fresh. It's a little bit more expensive than what I want to pay. And then I found an Ole Henriksen one at TJ Maxx, and then Test Tube a month or two back had like a big Evian one. So I like these more travel size friendly ones. That way I can put it in my purse when I'm on the go. I don't know, with the summertime, my skin has a mind of its own. I'm definitely a little bit more combination as opposed to just dry. But since I'm still not as out and about how I used to be right now, I'm still on like that more drier side as opposed to being exposed to like the humidity, the sun, all that stuff that tends to promote my skin to be a little bit more oily. I definitely want to try this out right now. I hope it's missing. I hope I don't just like myself in the face. Oh yeah. Refreshing for sure. I like that. It had a really good spray radius. It was super refined and misty. I definitely feel a little bit of cooling right now. Definitely will be adding this to my purse for on the go. Overall, I thought it was a really balanced box, which I really like in my subscription boxes. We got a bath item, some skincare, hair care, nail care, and even a makeup item. So I really like the variation and variety that this month offered. And then two of our products were full size and the rest were like deluxe travel sizes. So it was also balanced with full and deluxe size products as well. So I'm definitely very excited to give all these items a shot and implement into my routine. I would love to know, do you guys get GLOSSYBOX? Did you guys get the same variation as me? Or did you get the liquid highlighter as well as the sunscreen? How did those items work out for you? What were your favorite products from this month's box? And are you guys looking forward to June? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.